Most people think on the twin flame journey, when the silence hits, when the ghosting hits, when the blocking hits, that it is the connection breaking apart. I want you to know on a normal soulmate connection, that would probably be the case. But on twin flames, you are one energetic system. Remember, twin flames isn't just all about love and romance. This is about ascension. This is about shifting into a higher consciousness. The beautiful connection, the silence isn't about it breaking. The silence is actually just an energetic pause. It's when you completely readjust. It's when the feminine rises. And once the feminine rises, the only way that the masculine can go is up. Remember, the masculine is always responding to your energy and your frequency. So when that energetic pause, that silence takes place, know that now you are just up leveling. The connection, the oneness of the frequency is now deepening at a deeper, more secure, more grounded, more soul aligned frequency. That energetic pause is taking you to the next frequency. This is when the divine masculine will have that inner knowing. This is when they will stop running. It is not in the communication that they stop running. They get the realization in the energetic pause. This is when they can hear the whispers of the soul. This is when they come into the soul alignment. And through that energetic pause, through that silence, they feel the soul vibration. This is when they will need to share their feelings, their thoughts. They will start to share that inner knowing. And so don't ever look at those silences and pauses as a negative. See it as this is just when you are recalibrating. This is when the connection is evolving and shifting gear into the next level, into a higher frequency. Remember, twins cannot come together in lower frequencies, in lower energy. So if you're in that silence right now, if you are currently going through that pause right now, know that you are just energetically upgrading. Get ready for the next time that they are coming in, because that pause is preparing you for you to hold the energy and frequency of union. I hope this helps. I send you so much love. If you need more help and support on your journey, my website is there. At the moment, in September, we are going deep dive into soul alignment and how you bring in that inner union, working with soul frequency and soul alignment. I hope this helps. I send you much love. Have a blessed day.